Welcome to ReadyClaim, your go-to channel for all insurance-related details. We simplify the complex world of insurance claims and policies. Our mission? To maximize your insurance benefits. Be it home, health, life, or auto, we are your guide. Join us on this educational adventure. Today we delve into the world of car insurance and explore exceptional cases that could help lower your premiums. Consider John, a man in his mid-30s who is a stickler for road safety. He's the kind who always wears his seatbelt and never speeds. His driving record? Stellar. His reward? Low car insurance premiums. Insurance companies prefer drivers like John. Why? They're less likely to claim meaning, reduced costs for the insurer. So these safe drivers get lower premiums. It's a beneficial situation. Safer roads and more savings for John. But what's John's secret? Proactivity. He keeps his car in top condition, drives defensively and stays current with road safety rules. By emulating John's safe driving habits, you too can save on car insurance. So buckle up, slow down, and watch those premiums drop. Meet Lisa, a tech-savvy teen who just got her driver's license. She was worried about high insurance premiums but found a solution in a telematics device. This gadget captures data about her speed, braking, and cornering. It's like a mini driving test every time she hits the road. But unlike an ordinary test, this one helps. She saves money. It's her way, proving to her insurance company that she's a responsible driver, not just a risk-prone teenager. This device is changing the way insurance companies assess risk and the way we think about car insurance. If a teenager like Lisa can lower her car insurance premiums, so can you. Let's look at the Smiths, a couple with multiple insurance policies with the same company. They've discovered a savvy way to save on their car insurance premiums called bundling. Bundling means buying various insurance policies from one company. The Smiths have their homeowners, car, and life insurance all with one provider. This earns them a sizable discount on their premiums. Insurance companies value the loyalty and simplicity of bundling. It simplifies their administration and decreases risk, so they reward customers with savings. For the Smiths, this equates to more money saved. So, if you're aiming to save, consider the Smiths method. Bundling your insurance policies like the Smiths could be the key to lowering car insurance premiums. Let's recap what we've learned today. We've explored 3 scenarios, each offering insights for reducing car insurance costs. First, we introduced the safe driver, proving a clean record can significantly lower premiums. We then examined the tech-savvy teen who utilizes technology to provide insurers with valuable data, resulting in discounts. Finally, we observed a couple with multiple policies, highlighting the advantage of policy bundling. But there are more ways. Contemplate raising your deductible, but remember, you'll have to pay more in case of an accident. Uphold a good credit record, as insurers often use this to price policies. Don't forget to compare prices. Rates may vary between companies. And the best saving tip? Be a safe driver. Infractions can surge your rates, so stay cautious, drive safely, and maintain a clean record. Every little bit aids in reducing your car insurance cost. Stay tuned to ReadyClaim for more insurance insights. Remember, every little bit helps when lowering your car insurance premiums. We appreciate your time and attention as we conclude our journey into the realm of insurance. At ReadyClaim, we aim to empower you with crucial insights for making informed decisions. Insurance is about securing peace of mind, and safeguarding what's important. If you found this video helpful, we encourage interactions to join our growing community. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the world of insurance.